Yeah, of course. I think we definitely need more people in infection prevention and being infection preventionist. I really encourage you to identify what you're passionate about. If you're passionate about surveillance and you're really good at data, there's a job for you out there in infection prevention where you can be in data and analytics and be that person and still impact infection prevention. If you're a people's person, I highly encourage you to explore leadership opportunities. You do have to have those soft skills to be a leader, to lead people as well as processes. And if you really love being at the bedside and being a clinical team member, being an infection preventionist is really about being boots on the ground and rounding and being proactive. And there's a place for you in this role as well. And everyone else, who might have not a nursing degree or a typical clinical degree, if you have other backgrounds and you're interested in infection prevention, there is a place for you in this role as well. And, you just have to find the right role that fits you. And also just understanding that change is always necessary, challenges are always necessary, that if you get too comfortable, that is not going to last. So, how you grow yourself is understanding that. And I really encourage you to try it like I did many years ago. Because I think you'll find a place for you in infection prevention.